So we're in Clovis, California, and we just finished doing a cartridge replacement. It's Price Pfister. I believe it's the Avanti, but maybe not. Anyway, so it comes in one piece now, and we have that apart. Should have taken a video previously, but I didn't. Anyways, usually when they wear out, either the water won't stay hot or it keeps dripping out of the spout. In this case, it was dripping. It wouldn't shut off. So just a quick replacement. Shut the water down, replace it, get a new one in there, and now it works great. Outside of that, this installation is done.